I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chocolate banana smoothie. Okay? So,
peel and slice of banana.
okay, so first we have a freshly cut banana here that we can use for our smoothie.
Next, put it into a blender.
Okay, so now we put this banana into the blender, okay? Maybe around 10 slices. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
For a thicker smoothie, use a frozen banana.
This banana is frozen for your guys' information.
You can use a food processor with metal blade. Next, add the milk and cocoa powder.
Right here we have the milk. Okay, so
Add 200 ml of water, of milk.
this milk. So now we blend. This is very dangerous, okay? Okay. As you can see, it's quite thick, which is suitable for my liking. What I like to do is to put some ice after I blend it. Okay? And for your information, you will only add milk. You can also use water to cook, but just so because the mixture is going to be a little sweet, so this can dilute it. Okay? After we put in the ice, we blend it again to make it dilute. Okay. Then we pour it in our glass. If you want it on the go, you can use water. Okay?
Reminder, there should be no lumps or clumps. Occasionally, you may have to pause the blender, open it up, and push the ingredient down the side with a rubber spatula.
Okay. As we can see, there are no clumps or any residue left. This is the perfect consistency that we need. Okay, so now we're going to pour it in. Wow, that's very delicious. As you can see, we have a little bit because we can also put it in a bottle to on the go.